Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and use voice control on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to open the voice control, we need to go to the settings. Over here we need to go to accessibility, and then if you scroll down you should be able to find voice control. If you go over here you will have the setup voice control button. Now I already have set this up, so I can just enable this option. But you should be able to easily go through the instructions, how it works, and so on and so forth. So we can turn this option on, and now we are using the voice control. Now, in addition to that, you can also use the tutorial that is provided over here. You can press on it in order to find out how it looks like. You can, for instance, use numbers. So if you say out loud, show numbers, let's give it another try. Show numbers. There we go. So now whatever I say a number that is visible on the screen, then the iPhone will do exactly that. So if I, for instance, say 13, there we go. Now this option play sound has been enabled because of course it is labeled as 13 on the number 13. And of course, if you want to disable it, then you can press this slider again. There are many basic commands, like you can close an app by saying close application or close settings, or you can say go home, and so on and so forth, in order to simply navigate on your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max by using just your voice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.